There are new financial problems in South suburban Dolton tonight. It has to do with taxpayer money and the village's failure to let people know where it's being spent.
Our Jermont Terry is always investigating, live in the control room tonight, telling us who is to blame. Jermont.
Joe and Erica, according to the state, Mayor Tiffany Henyard's administration won't even do an audit of city spending. In fact, the state says that they won't even communicate with the Comptroller, whose job it is to oversee government spending. South suburban Dolton is now on the Illinois Comptroller's radar.
There are obvious red flags that your station, other stations have covered.
When CBS News Chicago sent a Freedom of Information request to Springfield requesting Dolton's financial records, the Office of Comptroller replied back saying the office has not received audits or financial reports from the Village of Dolton for fiscal years 2022 and 2023. That's a year after Mayor Tiffany Henyard was sworn in. 2 fiscal years, and no one has examined the tax dollars coming and going. Abden Palish is the Comptroller's spokesman.
If they continue failing to file the documents, it will then commence the forced audit process, where we send in folks to look over the books.
But for now, the state is cutting off Dolton's offset payments. Those are funds the state deducts from state payments going to people, such as income tax refunds or lottery payments. And for Dolton, that's about $135,000. Dolton is not the only municipality behind on providing audit reports, yet we're told it's the only in the state who flat out refuses to talk to the Comptroller.
Not in our administration has it ever come to this point.
The audit will tell the truth?
Oh, yes, the audit will tell the truth because it is done by an independent. They're not involved in the politics.
David Gonzalez is the mayor of Chicago Heights, but he's also a certified public accountant who does over 75 municipal audits statewide annually. He adds an audit is a clear picture of the books.
Because any mayor can go out there and say, look, my finances are great. We're doing great. You know, that we stopped the deficit. Well, that's just a lot of talk. But the independent audit is the proof of what really is happening in a town or a village.
Now, keep in mind, these audits, they are required by law. A source close to the Dolton investigation tells us that it was really criticizing the Comptroller's office, saying that they have really failed to reach out and check on the village well before all of these financial problems came about, adding that they haven't even been provided any proof that the Comptroller reached out well before now. Live in the control room, Jermont Terry, CBS News, Chicago. Erica?
Thank you, Jermont.